guys, it's Beecher here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be all about what I eat in a day, and I have already done a video on how I lost 9 kgs in 3 months, and I wanted to do a very unfiltered raw video to show you guys that what I eat in a day and how I lost that weight, and basically to just show you my meal plan. So yeah, if you're interested then please keep on watching. Okay, so this video is gonna be very raw, very unfiltered. I'm not going to put on loads of makeup and be pretentious. It's just gonna be my day-to-day activities, and I'm gonna keep vlogging to show you guys what I'm eating, and that's it. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and I just got up for some time, and I start off my day with a big mug of warm water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. So this helps in waking up your body and also starts boosting your metabolism, so that throughout the day it helps in burning all the calories. So this is what I really love having, and this is what makes me get up and get going. After having this, I'll have my breakfast at around 9 o'clock. So I'll see you that time. Okay, it's time for breakfast, and for my breakfast I'm gonna have a strawberry smoothie. So this is what it looks like. This basically has 4 to 5 strawberries, almond milk, my protein powder, and also for some crunch I have added pumpkin seeds, and sometimes I also add some chia seeds soaked overnight, but I forgot to soak them last night, so I don't have that. You can also add some nuts like walnuts or almonds. So it tastes really good, and this will keep me filled for at least the next 2 hours. So I will directly have my lunch after this, but this is what I'm having right now. I just got done with a shower and it felt so good. Like, it's so hot in Mumbai right now. So the minute I come out of the shower, the first thing that I apply on my body is my most favorite Mamaearth body lotion. This is in the variant Cocoa, and I really love Mamaearth body products. Like, if you have seen my previous videos, you would know that I really love Mamaearth products. I rave about them, and the body lotion especially I really love. I have used a vitamin C body lotion, but this one is a different one. This is the cocoa body lotion, and the main ingredients are coffee and cocoa powder. Now, Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. It is a made in India brand, and this is free from mineral oil, silicons. It is dermatologically tested, and it is meant for all skin types. So all I do is just take a few pumps, and this much quantity is enough for both my hands. So I rub it and I apply it on my hand. I really love this lotion because it makes my body feel super soft, and the smell of this variant is just amazing. It's like you're having a chocolate pudding. Now, I can't really eat a chocolate pudding because I am trying to lose and control my weight, so why not just smell like it, right? So I really love this variant. Now, this is priced at 399 rupees, which is amazing for the quantity that you get. The best thing that I really like about this lotion is that in spite of being so hot in Mumbai, like it does not feel heavy on the skin. It does not make me sweat. Like, I have used a lot of lotions which make me feel very sticky and irritating, which this does not. This like immediately gets absorbed. If you can see, it's immediately absorbed, and you can see the shine that it gave my skin. So I really like this product. And they have also started an initiative wherein they plant a tree in your name if you purchase any of their products, and they will link your order to that plant, and they will name the plant on your name. If you want to purchase any of these products, you can directly go and purchase from their website, which is mamaearth.in, and you can use my coupon code which will give you 20% off on all the products. But if you don't want to use the coupon code, you can go ahead and purchase these products from Nykaa, Amazon, Purple.com, and so on. So they are available on a lot of platforms, and that's great because it's easily available. But if you want to save a few bucks, you can go ahead and purchase from their official website and get some discounts. Now that I've done with my skincare, I am feeling extremely hungry. So let's go and see what I'm having for lunch. So here I am with my lunch. I am super hungry, and for lunch I have one jawar roti, and this is what it looks like. It's more of a bhakri types. In case if you're Gujarati, you would know. So this one jawar roti, because I have stopped eating wheat from a really long time, and this I feel has really helped me. Jawar, as we all know, is very good for health. It is cooling millet. It's a positive millet, so it is very good for your digestion. And most nutritionists suggest jawar roti. So I'm having one jawar roti. Then I'm having sabzi. Today I'm having cauliflower. So that's what I made today, and I have a bowl of dal because we need to add some proteins in all our meals. So if I'm not having dal, then I would have maybe chickpea salad, or I would try to inculcate paneer in my meal. But today I was in the mood of having dal, so I'm having some yellow dal. And along with all of this, I have one bowl of yogurt every time because I feel that yogurt is very good for digestion. It's very cooling for the stomach. So I really like having dahi. It's one of my favorites. So either dahi or buttermilk, but I have one of these two every single day. So this lunch is very filling, and I don't feel the need to eat anything after this till at least 4-5 o'clock. And as you're seeing, since we are progressing, my meals are getting fuller and fuller, and it's not that I'm starving myself, or it's not that, you know, I'm not eating enough. I'm eating quite a bit, but I'm trying to make a balanced diet so that, you know, it helps in maintaining and losing some weight. So I'll binge watch on some Netflix and eat my lunch, and I'll see you when I have my next meal. It's 5 p.m. already. Time really flies when you're working. So I didn't even realize that it's been 3 hours since I ate my lunch. So now it's time for some green tea. So that is what I have in the evening, and I usually have some nuts with it. Today I will be eating some almonds with that. And yeah, that's it. I don't really have a habit of snacking in the evening, and I'm not a tea person or a coffee lover, so I'm not addicted to all of that. But I have developed the taste for green tea, and I am really enjoying it. Like right now I'm having the Tetley one, which is the lemon and honey one, but I want to experiment with other flavors. I've heard Twining is a good brand, and if you know of any brands or any flavors in green tea that I can try, then do let me know in the comment section, because I want to experiment with green tea now because I've started really enjoying it. So yeah, that is it for my evening snack. Now after this I will directly have my dinner at around 7:38 and call it a day. I also forgot to mention that I have 3 to 4 liters of water every single day, because I feel water is really important, because it flushes out all the toxins, and the more water you drink, the better for you. So I have this bottle with me, which is a 1.5 liters bottle. So I try to finish it up and fill it again, and try to finish drinking this twice a day. So at least 3 liters of water I'm having. So this is my second bottle. I've already finished up this much till now, and I'm pretty sure I will finish this and a little bit more before I go to bed. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Now I will see you directly when I'm having my dinner. It's dinner time. So I'd gone down for a walk, came back, freshened up, and now it's time to have my dinner. So it's 7:30, sorry, it's 8 right now, and I usually have my dinner by 7:30, max 8 o'clock. So now I'm sitting to have my dinner. So for dinner, I usually have one sprout moong chilla along with a salad and also 100 grams paneer. So I usually either put the paneer on top of the chilla and make paneer chillas, or I put it in my salads. So for today's salad, I have mixed a lot of veggies like bell peppers, onions, iceberg lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and I have added paneer, and I've tossed it up with salt, pepper, and a little bit of Italian and chipotle sauce. Now these sauces, again, I know you will think that they contain some calories, but no, I have got sauces which are 0 calories. So, and they are approved by my nutritionist. So that is what I'm having, and that's my dinner. So this will be my last meal of the day. After this, I usually don't eat anything. If I feel a little bit hungry, then I would probably have a cup of green tea, but I do not eat after this, and my bedtime is usually by around 11. So yeah, that is it. And if you have any questions, then do let me know in the comment section, and let me know if you want me to explain my diet in more detail. But yeah, this is it from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and follow me on my social media. Until next time, bye.